In this video, we'll guide you through the complete setup process for the Alledio Multi-sensor, from mounting and wiring to connecting it to the web app and accessing settings. Mount the sensor to the wall and remove the top cover. Make sure to check the marking on the back of the case to identify the correct top and bottom orientation. Proper alignment is important for accurate measurements. Carefully connect the wires. Start by connecting the Modbus communication cables, then attach the power supply wires. Ensure all connections are secure and tight. Once everything is connected, close the cover securely until you hear a distinct click, confirming that it is properly locked in place. For iOS devices, download the NF Connect Wi-Fi app from the App Store. For Android devices, no app download is required. Before continuing, ensure that NFC and Wi-Fi are enabled on your smartphone. They are usually on by default, but if not, please enable them manually. Unlock your phone and gently touch it to the bottom right corner of the sensor. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Tap the pop-up message to open the NF Connect Wi-Fi app. When prompted to connect the sensor to Wi-Fi, press Join. After the connection is successful, touch the sensor again in the bottom right corner. A new pop-up will appear. Tap it to proceed. You are now in the Alledio web app. Here, you can view the live readings of current values, adjust Modbus or BACnet communication settings, and configure offset values. Continue with the Modbus setup by defining the Modbus address, baud rate, parity, communication mode, number of stop bits, and termination settings. Alternatively, you can enable a wired communication through BACnet MSTP or a wireless communication via BACnet IP and configure the corresponding parameters to establish connection. Before adjusting any offsets, allow the sensor to auto-calibrate for approximately 45 minutes. Once calibration is complete, set the offsets as needed and configure the present settings accordingly. Your sensor is now successfully set up and ready to deliver accurate, real-time data. Thank you for watching and enjoy the Alledio multi-sensor experience.